Hello, I'll be teaching you how to install and use the UtilityMobs plugin created by myself. The installation process is quite easy. All you have to do is copy and paste the plugin into the plugins folder and start the server. Installation complete. I am now in the server that I installed the plugin on. You can list the commands by typing or UtilityMobs, and it will show you a list of the commands. To create a mob, you type create and it will open this GUI. You can select a non-movable mob or a movable mob. I'll create a non-movable creeper. To edit this mob, you press shift and click the mob or type edit while looking at the mob. I can change the utility mob type, I can edit the equipment, I can edit the commands, I can create a new mob path, I can change the name of the mob, I can change the speed of the mob, I can click to enable the sound of the mob, and I can click to enable the movement of the mob. I will change this mob to a villager and rename him to villager with a red color code. Now if you look at this edit menu, you see there is a new option here. You can click to enable the baby mode, and as you can see, he turned into a baby, and you can just click to disable it and he will turn back into a adult. Now I'll show you guys the main purpose of this plugin: to run commands for players or the console when a player interacts with the utility mob. So to add a command or add commands, you can click this and type this command here, command add the type of the command. This one will be the console command, and I will make it say hello my name. And I'll also add another command, but this time it will be server. This command will send the player to this server, which is the lobby server. However, my server isn't connected to a Bungee card server, so this will not work currently. It will only say my name, say hello my name in the chat, as you can see. To clear the commands, you just click edit commands and it will clear it. If you don't have to add any more commands, but if you do want to add commands, just run the command again. But you do have to click edit commands so that you can add commands. You can edit the equipment of a mob, however you cannot edit the equipment of a villager because they cannot wear any equipment. So I'll set this to a skeleton, and I'll add all this equipment. So that's the helmet, that's the chest plate, that's the leggings, and that's the boots. And here's the item in hand. So what's pretty cool about this is that you can actually set a block to the helmet also, like that. Now I will show you how to make the mobs move. First you want to edit the mob, so I'll type edit while looking at the mob. So I don't know why that's weird, but you can always shift and click to edit the mob. So create a new mob path, you just click this and run the command that it gives you. So UtilityMobs path add, and as you can see it says type UtilityMobs path final to record the last location. Each location has to be 10 blocks away from each other. It can be 10 blocks or less away from each other, or else it will give you a message and do not add the location. So I'll add one more location here. As you can see, it gave me that message there that it's too far apart, and I'll add the final location here. And now I can actually edit this mob again and click enable movement, and this mob will start to walk on that path that I set. Now to stop him from moving, you can just click disable movement again and he'll stay in place wherever he stopped. To make him go back to his spawn point, you just type reload and he will go back there. This is not reloading the whole server, so don't worry, it only reloads the plugin. You can then also enable the sound of the mob. As you can hear the sound of the skeleton there. I'll demonstrate using the wither since it's louder. There we go. And you can also change the speed of the mob, so I'll go back to the skeleton and I'll click change speed. It's from 1 to 100 or 0 if you don't want to move at all, but I recommend 15 for most mobs, so I'll set the speed to 15 and I'll enable movement again. As you can see, it's normal because that's the default speed for most mobs, and now I'll change it to 20 and it's pretty fast, as you can see. So you can imagine 100. I don't recommend doing that at all, but it's up to you. So I'll stop him. Hold up. Come here. Okay, there we go. That's it for this plugin, guys. You guys can go ahead and purchase it on Spigot. I think the current price will be $10. I'm not sure as yet, but you can definitely look on Spigot and see the price of it. And it should be bug free right now, other than the that edit bug that I'm getting right there. I'll fix that before I upload the plugin, but here you go, guys. That's how to install and use the UtilityMobs plugin. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this plugin.